Happy spring! We've just completed this welcoming wreath with products from the Dollar Tree and Walmart. If you'd like us to show you how to complete this DIY for your home, stay tuned. Hey, good people! Welcome to Mommy Room Redo, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this episode, we're going to be making a spring wreath. Let's get started. All right, so this is a frame from the dollar store. Here I'm showing you how I put the pipe cleaners on the frame. I started with 9 pipe cleaners on the outside and 7 pipe cleaners on the inside. However, as I move through the project, I begin to add probably 3 times as many pipe cleaners because the tool is pretty thin, and if you don't use enough of the pipe cleaners, you'll be able to see the frame through the tool. So now I'm showing you the tool that I selected for the wreath. I chose yellow and orange because they make wonderful spring colors. I wanted to use actual wired ribbon instead of the tool, but I couldn't find it in the spring colors. So I settled for the yellow and the orange, and it looks great. Now it's time to cut your pieces. I put the 2 rolls together, the orange on top and the yellow on the bottom. It didn't matter, sometimes I switched. But what does matter is that they need to be cut the same size. So each set I cut at 30 inches. So now you're seeing me make the ruffles to actually fill the frame for our wreath. You take both hands and you gather the material at the center, ensuring that you get both pieces in the set. So when I first started doing this, it took me probably a couple of minutes just to do one. But as I practiced, I reduced the time to just a few seconds. Help us do the happy dance. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. So here's the wreath at a beginning stage. Now it's a little more full, and here we are almost done. And this is showing the final touches of a complete wreath. And here we are. Now notice that the pipe cleaner is still showing. What we need to do is tuck the pipe cleaners on the bottom of the wreath so that we could either connect them out of the way or clip them with a wire cutter. While I loved the wreath, I thought the colors really shouted spring, I still felt it was missing something. So I added this welcome sign from the dollar store. It was injured. If you notice at the top, there seems to be a piece missing. So I went and purchased these jewel type shapes, and I replaced that missing piece, and I really think that did the trick. So here you have it. It's our completed welcome wreath. I think it looks pretty welcoming. What do you think? Do you like it? Do you like the colors? Is it something that you're going to try at home, or have you already tried a wreath at home? Let us know. Put your thoughts right down there in the comments. Also, as you scroll below, please check out these stores where we got the rest of our items, and we'll provide direct links so you can order them yourself. If you were to buy a wreath like this, it would probably cost you anywhere from 30 to 70 bucks, but we were able to complete this DIY for under $20. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take care.